Welcome to DrCureCare, your go-to channel for easy and effective healthcare tips. Today we are diving into the world of home remedies, powerful, natural solution to keep your health in check. Forget expensive treatments, these remedies are all about simplicity and effectiveness. Let's get started. When you're sneezing and coughing all day, it's hard to focus on anything else, but this warm golden drink is all you need. Mix turmeric and honey in the warm water and feel your throat relax instantly. It's like a hug for your immune system. In this video, I will reveal 5 powerful home remedies for common illness that are easy, natural, and highly effective. From curing headaches to glowing skin, these tips will change the way you handle health issues. So let's begin. So in this part, we are going to talk about common illness and remedies. The first one, cold and cough. Cold and cough making your life miserable. Instead of rushing for over-the-counter syrups, try this magical mix. Take a cup of water, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric and a spoon of honey. Drink this twice daily to soothe your throat and boost your immunity. It's natural, tastes great, and works wonders for quick relief. Headache. A pounding headache can ruin your entire day, but did you know relief is just a step away? Crush fresh mint leaves and apply the juice on your forehead. The cooling effect provides instant relief and calms the nerves. No pills, no chemicals, just a natural effective remedy. Crush fresh mint leaves and apply the juice to your forehead. The cooling effect provides instant relief and calms the nerve. No pills, no chemicals, just natural, effective remedy. That burning sensation in your chest after a meal, don't ignore it. It's acidity. Mix a pinch of baking soda in a glass of lukewarm water and drink it. This neutralizes stomach acid and provides instant comfort, quick relief for discomfort, and it's safe for everyone. So now the thing is, why to choose home remedies? Home remedies have been a part of our traditions for centuries. They are safe, affordable, and chemical-free, making them perfect for everyone. So why not bring nature back into your life? If you loved these remedies, don't keep them a secret. Like this video, subscribe to DrCureCare and share it with your loved ones. Let's spread the gift of health together.